Hi, I'm Mindy. Welcome to TRA Snow and Sun. We're solving problems related to rooftop avalanches through our snow retention systems. Today we're going to talk about how to install our products. So let's get right to it.
Hello, Ben Anderson here with TRA Snow and Sun. Today we're going to be installing a D-classic bracket on some asphalt shingles. Tools you'll be needing: a hammer with some roofing nails, a chalk line, and a tape measure. Let's get started. First, find your mark. Hence your tape measure. Follow your design layout provided from TRA Snow and Sun. Today we're going to be going at 13 inches on center. You can see here, brackets are spaced at 26 inches. 13 inches right here. Drop your chalk line to get a straight edge. Grab your bracket and your nail and your hammer. Find your design spot and hammer. Today we're using roofing nails. Repeat 4 times, 4 holes, 4 nails. Install the following course. Rinse and repeat based on the spacing TRA provides. That concludes the install of a D-classic bracket on asphalt shingles. If you have any questions, please consult TRA's engineer layout. Thank you.
You just learned how to install one of our many snow retention systems. We offer engineered snow retention layouts and quotes. For questions regarding your project, contact us at 800-606-8980 or email us at sales@trasnowandsun.com and we'll take care of the rest. Thanks for joining us.